doing a little reorganization here. So just going through, we got 4 50-star unions along with 2 Eagle Globe and Anchor unions. Going down to the next tier, we have 2 Redman unions, which are bare, still have to be painted. And we have the Navy SEAL Trident. We have 2 of those as well. We have 3 Don't Tread on Me unions, 2 United States Army unions. And then down on the bottom row here, we have a generic fire department union. We have 4 U.S. Customs Border Patrol or Border Protection, and we have 3 Philadelphia Eagles unions as well. These are all for 36-inch by 19.5-inch builds. So give me a shout if you guys are interested. And if you see anything you like here, just reach out.